Hello and welcome again to Chris's Caribbean Delights. And today we're going to make a gazpacho, or a cold soup, so to speak. We're going to do avocado and cucumber gazpacho. It's very simple. Everything is going to be done in the blender. So let's go to those ingredients and just get a gazpacho going. So here are the ingredients we're going to use for the gazpacho. First of all, we need a nice cucumber. You can use an English cucumber or you can use a regular cucumber. And we'll just trim the ends off and we'll cut this up. I've put some basil in there for the soup. You need I love garlic, so I just put one clove of garlic, a sliver of maybe like an inch size piece of ginger. Give it a kick. Half of an onion, some lemon juice, a bell pepper, an orange bell pepper, and we have here some cilantro or culantro. You can add that also. I also have a few pieces of cayenne pepper here. I'm going to add that in there for some heat. And one of the main ingredients, an avocado. I have a pretty large avocado here. This is going to make it nice and creamy. And choosing your avocado, if you when you squeeze it or when you put your finger in it, you must have an indentation. It shouldn't be too soft or too hard, but you might be able to feel that, you know, that it's ripening, and that's the way you know that it's ripe and it's good to go. So you cut this avocado. This one is not really, you see, we're getting a little bit of well, you know, sickness or rot here. So not rot, but it's probably overly ripe, and that's why we have the dark spots. But what we'll do, we'll just take those out, take out the dark spots, and use just the part that's nice and creamy and delicious. So let's go ahead and do that. So I used what I could from the large avocado, and then I had a small avocado which I also cut up. I'll put these all into the blender. And the knife skills, you don't have to cut them very small, very large, but you just have to just break them up. This is the basil. I'm gonna put some basil in here. Because the blender is going to do 99% of the work here. Ginger for a little kick. The garlic. The cucumber, I've cut it in half. Here's some garlic stuck to my knife. Then cut it in half again. And give this a nice rough chop. I'll just use a quarter of the onion. The bell pepper. get the lemon juice in there, and the heat. I love the heat, so just put a few pieces of cayenne pepper in here. It's looking good already. Let's squeeze our lemon. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, and you can always adjust that once you're done blending. So we're going to blend this for about a minute or so and let it get nice and creamy. In order to assist the blender in moving, I added a cup of chicken broth in there, so we'll just go ahead and we'll and you can just taste and adjust your flavor. Awesome. You just pour into your serving container. Get all that goodness out of there. And it's garnished with some cucumber slices. A little bit of white pepper. You can also put some pine nuts on there, or papitas, some pumpkin seeds. You know, you can just decorate it the way you want to. A little bit of green there, here and there. Awesome. And there you have it, your cucumber avocado gazpacho. Cucumber avocado gazpacho. It's as simple as that, and it tastes wonderful. It's delicious. We're going to do a taste test. Cucumber avocado gazpacho. You chill for about an hour before serving. Yeah, you can chill for an hour before serving. So here we go. Let's do a taste test. Bon appetit. The cooling cucumber is in there, along with the creamy avocado. It's fantastic. The heat that I love from my cayenne pepper. It's embracing. Once again, like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next clip. Thank you for watching.